Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group, and we are back with another walkthrough Wednesday. Today I'm really excited because I am here with Danielle with David Weekley Homes, and we are here in Seabrook Village. So Danielle is going to be walking us through a beautiful quick move-in home that they currently have available. So Danielle, please tell us where we're at.
Hey everyone, we are here at our Shepherd home at 84 Sea Green Way, right in the heart of Seabrook Village. Why don't you come on in and take a look?
All right, let's do it. Love the exterior of the home.
Thank you. Really cute curb appeal on this home. So this home here is going to be our Shepherd. This home is about 2,400 square feet,
Wow.
4 bedrooms, 3 baths, with a flex room or a loft upstairs. You'll see when you walk in here, we are going to have a secondary bedroom with a full bathroom downstairs. Great for multi-purpose, family coming into town, study or office.
Yeah, I love the access that it has to the bathroom.
Yeah, super convenient that if you have someone staying in here, they have access right off of their bedroom or for guests, coming from the common area. A lot of natural sunlight into this home. It's a key thing with David Weekley. You'll see we tend to put a large amount of windows in our homes, really focusing on that kitchen and family room.
This is beautiful. I love the neutral palette that you guys kind of chose with this home.
Yes, super light, bright, giving it a nice warm feeling. Plenty of storage in this kitchen too. You're going to notice we've got those pot and pan drawers under the cooktop. A trash can pull out.
Oh, that's a plus.
Yes,
That's
right over
nice.
here.
You don't always see. Oh, and it's nice and wide.
Very big.
Yeah, that's great.
You got kids living in here or family in town. You don't have to worry about always taking it out.
Perfect.
Around the corner here too, you'll see there is a walk-in pantry, which is super spacious.
That's awesome. That's deep.
Yes.
Can fit lots of stuff. All your Costco stuff in there.
Yeah, don't have to worry about storing it in the garage.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I like the separation of the cabinetry over there because you could do, a coffee nook, a wine nook. I mean, there's lots of prep space if you really wanted to do that. So, and I love that this is open into this area.
You'll see we do have super high ceilings in this home too. All the main living areas is going to be at least 10 feet. Here where we have this tray is going to bring you up to an 11-foot ceiling.
Beautiful.
Already has your ceiling fan in there too, so don't have to worry about coming in and having those installed.
Yeah.
You'll see as you look through those sliders too, the fencing is already up, which is wonderful. You have the back fence and the right-hand side. Only have to tie in on that left over there.
That's
gutters.
quite a wide, it's a very wide backyard, as we'll see as we go into the owner's suite here.
Yes, certainly. Room for the animals, kiddos, garden, whatever you're looking for. Ton of natural light in here. You're going to notice we have 4 cans that put up here. It is pre-wired for a ceiling fan, and we've carried that luxury vinyl into here.
That was something that before we started filming I was pointing out, but you can really see it in this room, and which I think is so beautiful, going into this incredible bathroom.
Really nice upgraded feature. Going into the bathroom, you're going to notice this is a signature feature for David Weekley, our super shower. Yeah, don't have to have the door, walk-in shower with that rain head, which is beautiful.
Yeah, and it's really high. Like sometimes I feel like the rain showers are really low, which I know that's kind of odd, but sometimes I notice that, and these are not. This is really high, which I love. So that is awesome.
Very nice. And then in this walk-in closet, you will notice a ton of storage too. We've opened it up under those stairs to actually provide the storage there for whatever you're looking, luggage, or to extend your clothes in there.
Awesome. Love those deep closets that you guys do. And also all the extra cabinetry that's in this bathroom too, with the pools and the drawers. It's great.
Great to have that drawer stack in the middle. You can never have enough storage in the bathroom.
Awesome. And this specific home is so close to Seabrook Park, which is an amenity that you have access to as a Nocatee resident. You also have access to lots of other amenities, the water parks, and 3 other pools that are very similar to Seabrook Park. So as a Nocatee resident, it's it's really truly resort living, and you will get that definitely by living here in this home.
Yes, thank you for bringing that up because you are literally one street away from the
Wow.
pool, the playground, the dog park.
Mhm.
And then especially with the new school opening up as well, you're
Yeah.
going to be a short bike ride up there, or golf cart,
Perfect.
even walk up the street to
Yeah.
it. Really awesome location. And around there, you will see the laundry room. We already have it with that countertop in there, plenty of storage, and a little coat closet or space for extra Costco stuff.
Yeah, that's so nice.
Or the couple days a year we get the cold weather for our coats.
Storm in there.
Yes. So you'll see we did extend the luxury vinyl up the stairs, which is a really beautiful
Beautiful.
upgrade.
I love all the natural light that this stairwell is getting too.
Yes. This window really shines from these stairs too to show how warm it is. Really lights up the space.
Wow.
And here's our fabulous loft up here. Again, multi-purpose, you know, you can use it as space for the kids, family coming in, office if you've got people working from home.
Yeah. I love that you guys do these big loft areas because they're so versatile. You can do so many different things with them.
And that room you just came from, I don't know if you noticed, but there is that spacious walk-in closet, which is uncommon, you know, for secondary bedrooms.
Yes, agreed.
Double sinks in there, won't have to worry about anyone fighting over bathroom time.
Yes.
Plenty of counter space too in the middle.
And both the bedrooms are great size.
Yes. Awesome space, you know, wall placement too for furniture. You have the full wall in the back, easy to put your bed there.
And then I love that you have the storage closet here. So you could do, I mean, if you were to do this as like a kids area or even like a you know, study, you could store some things in there. Blankets
certainly.
or games or what have you, those types of things. So definitely versatile space. But
Certainly.
all right, well, we are going to wrap up. So again, Danielle is going to tell us where we are at today and how you guys can get in contact with her.
Again, this is the David Weekley Shepherd floor plan. We are here at 84 Sea Green Way. Please come visit us over at the Reflections Model at 20 Recollection Way.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Danielle.
Thanks.
If you were interested in this home, it's definitely not going to last long. We were down to under, I think, about 250 homes here in Nocatee. So if you want to be a Nocatee resident, new construction home, you definitely want to come out to Seabrook Village today. So we hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you guys soon.
Thanks.
Bye.